And similarly, we can do all these operations on the cosine of A and the cosine of A minus B. Okay, cosine of A plus B and cosine A minus B. So, for example, 3 plus 4, then we can get cosine A times cosine B equal to 1/2 cosine of A plus B plus the cosine of A minus B. Okay, let me call this identity 7. And then if we use the 3 minus 4, then we get sine A times sine B equal to 1/2 times cosine of A minus B minus cosine of A plus B. Let me call this identity 8. So by now, we have got the 4 sum to, product to sum identities. So this is the first one, and then second one, and then third one, and then fourth one. Okay, so a bunch of the identities. Okay, so now let's look at one example to see how we apply this product to sum identities. Let's go to the page 553 and we look at the problem 8. Use the product to sum identities to rewrite each expression. So we need to rewrite the sine of the 2 pi over 9 times the sine of the 3 pi over 4. So this is the page 553, problem 8. We have the sine of 2 pi over 9 and times sine of 3 pi over 4. First, let's write out the product to sum identity we need to use to rewrite this expression. So we have the sine A times sine B equal to 1/2 times cosine of A minus B and then minus cosine of A plus B. So right now, this A is just equal to 2 pi over 9, right? And B here is equal to 3 pi over 4. So now, by using this product to sum identity, we can get sine of 2 pi over 9 times sine of the 3 pi over 4 is equal to 1/2 times cosine of the 2 pi over 9 minus 3 pi over 4 and then minus cosine of the 2 pi over 9 plus 3 pi over 4. And you can use the calculate to compute the difference and the sum of these two fractions, okay, if you like. And then you simplify, you can get cosine of 19 pi over 36 and minus cosine of the 35 pi over 36. So in this way, we just rewrite this product, okay, to the difference of these two cosine functions. So this is from product to sum. Okay, so this is the first example. Now let's look at another example from 15. 15, we have the product like this. Sine of 13 pi over 24 times cosine of the 5 pi over 24. So first, let's write out the product to sum identity we need to use at here. So we have the sine A times cosine B equal to 1/2 times sine of A plus B and plus sine of A minus B. And here A is equal to 13 pi over 24 and B is equal to 5 pi over 24. Okay, so now you have the sine of the 13 pi over 24 times cosine of 5 pi over 24. So you plug in the A, you plug in the 13 pi over 24 for A at here, and 5 pi over 24 for B here. You have 1/2 times sine of the 13 pi plus 5 pi over 24. Okay, these two fractions have the common denominator, and plus sine of 13 pi minus 5 pi over 24. And then you simplify, you get the 1/2 times sine, okay, 13 plus 5 you have 18, and 18 divided by 24 you have the 3 over 4, so this is 3 pi over 4. Okay, you can use a calculator to compute this. If you cannot do this, okay, you're mad. So for the second, you have the sine of the pi over 3. And then we can use the reference angle for the 3 pi over 4 to simplify the first term. We know the reference angle of the 3 pi over 4 is pi over 4, right? And 3 pi over 4 is in the quotient 2, so sine is positive. So this guy is equal to sine of the pi over 4 and plus the sine of the pi over 3. Then finally, you get the 1/2 times, this is the root of 2 over 2, and this is the root of 3 over 2. So finally, you get root of 2 plus root of 3 over 4. Done.